Hi, my name is Louis Gialidakis, and I'm the head coach of the Hellenic Lightning. At this time, I just want to express my happiness to be a part of such a special tournament and event like the Multicultural Hockey League's second annual championship that'll be airing this Christmas holiday. I also want to thank the corporate sponsors, Coffee Time and 2-for-1 Pizza, for their great contribution and support of such a special event. I'd like to also wish all the best to all the teams that are taking part, both in the men's division and the women's division, and in the spirit of good fun and the spirit of hockey and multiculturalism, I wish everybody all the best.